my dear doctor. Very good afternoon and good evening to everyone. So my name is Dr. Shumanta Kumar Saha. I have been working as a teacher in SS Academy and have been working in long experiences, more than 10 years, to train the different kinds of peoples in country and outside the country, and for the MRCP, for the part 1, part 2 written and clinical part. We have gathered together the very successful candidates here, and we already enjoyed the congratulations ceremony on MRCP UK Part 1 2019, the second night. The successful candidates in my hands here. So we'll discuss some of the important issues. So let's start with the first candidate, Dr. Mehranjes. What is your feeling today?
I'm feeling very happy today for passing MRCP Part 1 in first attempt, and I like to thank Shumanta Kumar Saha sir for guiding us to pass this exam. So it's really tough to pass the exam, but it wasn't that tough for us because স্যার আমাদের এমনভাবে গাইড করেছেন যে আমাদের আসলে এক্সাম হলে যে মনে হয় নাই যে আমরা বাইরে কোথাও এক্সাম দিতে আসছি, মানে মনে হচ্ছিল পেপার 1টা একটু টাফ ছিল, তারপর পেপার 2টার সময় মনে হচ্ছিল যে আমরা স্যারের হয়তো কোনো মানে মডেল টেস্ট মানে অ্যাডভান্স রিভিশনের কোনো এক্সাম দিচ্ছি আমরা। তো আমাদের জন্য আর কি এতটা ইজি ছিল, মানে এক্সাম হলে আমরা কোনো নার্ভাস মানে যেটা নার্ভাস ফিল করে নর্মালি যে কোনো একটা বোর্ড এক্সাম বা এরকম কিছু, বাট আমরা এরকম কোনো কিছুই ফিল করিনি। সব কিছুর ক্রেডিট হচ্ছে স্যারের। স্যার আমাদের এমনভাবে প্রিপেয়ার করেছেন, স্যার যেভাবে বলেছিলেন যে কোয়েশ্চেন এভাবেই আসবে, কোয়েশ্চেন আমাদের কমন আসে নাই, বাট আসলে আমরা যখন কোয়েশ্চেন পড়ছিলাম তখন মনে হচ্ছিল স্যার যেই কথাগুলো যেভাবে বলছে যে এটার পর এইটা এভাবে দেখবো সেম ওই জিনিসই ছিল। সো আমাদের জন্য আল্লাহর রহমতে অতটা টাফ ছিল না।
It's really a very tough exam because this internal medicine about MRCP is extraordinary exam. In my experience, it is both very strong in clinical as well as theoretical. And from this academy, our mentor, our teacher, Dr. Shumanta Kumar, he guided us in such a way that we could cross this Everest-like obstacle. It's not an easy exam, and all the thing what I can say that he guided 7 P's for us. The 7 P's, among these, the most important was that perseverance, that is revisions, repeatedly to study one thing, most important thing, more and more, and that helped. Actually, I followed that perseverance, revisions, and he repeatedly in our classes. He used to show that a box, and within that box, that partner and reading, study. These two things unitedly to be captured and should not be let it out. And I just followed it. I had a partner and I just studied repeatedly. But it was really a very joyful.
I'm extremely grateful and delighted that I'm here right now, that I passed my MRCP Part 1 UK examination in the first attempt, and all the guidance and the credit goes to Dr. Shumanta Saha. When I first entered this academy and the first induction class, I was blown away by the energy and the charisma and how he inspired us, and I think that inspiration carried us to the end and gave us the past result that we got. And my fellow doctor said perseverance was definitely the key to our success, and how he guided us with all his little tips and tricks, that was what helped us the most. And at least in my case, in my exam, I could hear his words in the back of my head when I was doing my paper. I could hear his lectures, I could see the boxes, and those really helped me, and I'm really grateful, and I'm feeling very delighted today. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. At first I would thank Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, and then all credit goes to my mentor, Dr. Shumanta sir. After coming to this academy, I felt I was always searching for my mentor, whom I was looking for, this man, Dr. Shumanta sir. I feel and I strongly believe that Dr. Shumanta sir is one of the best mentors I ever met in my life. He is the best guide, mentor everyone could possibly ask for. He didn't teach us only, he gave us the inspiration, he gave us the positive vibes all time, all the way. He taught us how to read, what we should read, which books we should go through, how to approach to the questions. just I can't repay which he has done for me. I wish his prosperity, good health, and longevity. Thank you so much, sir, and thanks to all the members of SS Academy.